Good morning. Welcome to my channel. I'm glad you tuned in. My name is Sharon, and I am an eBay reseller, cancer fighter, 3 things of cancer. This is my 3rd round. Not the same. This is ovarian cancer now. Now, working on ovarian cancer. I have my hobbies of... I'm working on right now a top that's right beside me. It's vintage. In the mess, I have my little things that keep me busy, and I love it. It keeps me busy, and it's something that's I've loved to do for a while. So that's what I'm working on this morning. And thank you for tuning in. Hi, good morning. I am brewing me some coffee, and I'm up at 9:30 in the morning. Going to bake a cake, believe it or not. I think I'm gonna put it on convection oven. Let's see, it says bake at 350. So it's at 350. Start this bad boy. Here we go. It's gonna be a devil's food cake. Mixing that up for a couple minutes. Let's see what it's looking like. I'm gonna grab out my drawer, my messy drawer. There it is. I'm gonna make that. I'm gonna poke some holes in it, put some dessert. This is sugar-free, which is all right. I'm gonna poke some holes on it, put some Jello in it, and I'm gonna put some Cool Whip on it. Easy peasy. And it's real frigid out today. I think it's like this morning was 6 degrees. There's my back. I see my neighbor putting water in his pond. I don't know if that would kill. That sounds like that'd be dangerous for the fish. Still pretty hot. Probably make them a little bigger so I can get that cherry Jello down in there. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Here we go. That's okay. There we go. There's a cherry Jello. Just gonna stir and get those dissolved. Cherry's one of my favorite Jellos. Okay, now there it is. I poured it on top. Now we'll just cool it in the fridge. I want to take him home. Look at their Valentine. Oh, look how cute. They always have the cutest things in here. Oh. Oops. Compact. Let's see. All these. There. There's one. Red child, bladder.
How does she do it?
How do I do what?
How does she get the Scotch tape stuck on the fucking floor?
Hey.
How does she stick Scotch tape on the floor? I mean, how do you do that? Do you not know it? Then don't be recording the evidence how I beat the poop out of you all the time.
Chili's for dinner. I'm not paying any attention to you. And cake for dessert. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Not. I like these glasses here, but my eye, this one got better, and that's always been my bad eye. This one's the same, but if I was going to get some, I don't think I have to get some glasses, but if I was going to get some, these would be the pair. What do you think? Some time in here at Wally World because eyes are dilated and it's too bright to be outside and drive. So I don't go to Walmart very often. So we'll be here for a little while. Hi, good morning. Well, yesterday I ended up ordering glasses, which I didn't really need, but I liked them, and I was ready for a change. So these will be my backup glasses, and that's okay. So it's coffee time this morning. Hope everybody's doing well today. Sorry that you get to see me in my pajamas, but I'm not sorry, because no shame in my game. As long as I'm decent. I think I'm decent. I'm gonna make me some breakfast. I think I need to go do some tire. See what's going on with my tire thing with my new vehicle, because it keeps saying it's got low pressure. We'll go get that checked out today. Get out of the house for a minute. That's on the agenda today. Other than that, I might make some, look, I got tons of these avocados. I'm gonna make some avocado salad. I've got some garbanzo beans. I've got some olives. I think it's clean out freezer day. Nothing wrong with that. I told my husband it's clean out freezer day for dinner because we got odds and ends here and there, and we can just kind of clean those out or either go out to dinner. I'll let him make the choice. If he doesn't make the choice, I make the choice. That's how it goes. That's how we roll here. So coffee's on, and I'm gonna make me some bagels. There's my new to me toaster. I had to have. Never heard of this name brand, but I love the color. I got it off the marketplace. It's not new. I got it off the marketplace from an Asian guy. It's really cute. I had to have it. Although my colors are dark blue, I just want to incorporate something different. My husband said, why didn't you go all dark blue? Because I got dark blue everything. Because I fell in love with the color of this toaster. That's why. I have to give a shout out to this. I haven't tried the strawberry rhubarb. I'm getting ready to. This is the first time putting fuel in this vehicle. See how bad of a damage it does. Oh my goodness. Everything's more expensive. Insurance. Oh well. It's got decent tires on it for the winter, I think. Oh, anyway, what is that? Probably where it's been setting. Let's see what it does. I'm at my get-go. We're supposed to get a snowstorm. No. That doesn't last long. There it goes. How was your breakfast?
Fantastic.
We stopped at McDonald's and we're eating some. Sorry about the music. Hopefully,
We're pretending we're in Florida.
we're pretending we're watching the world go around. We're getting ready for the White Death, which is snow. We'll go over and get a few things. We really don't need a lot. We're gonna go do some grocery shopping, and I'm sure that place is gonna be packed. Find out here in a few. I guess it's not too people-y in here. It's early still. What do we get?
I bought one of them big pizzas.
You are? I'm eyeballing these strawberries over here. Look how big these strawberries are. Look at that. That's like 2. That's mega strawberry. Ooh, they got cherries. Good morning. I'm up early. I wanted to show you all the snow that I have out front. I know everybody's getting it. It's crazy. Look at this. Let's see what the back looks like. Here's my back. I wanted to kind of document it. I know everybody's getting this crazy snow across the country, but there it is. It looks, I don't know, a few inches. Some places it looks like 4, some places it looks like 2. It's there. You can see where the cats walk through the yard. And my husband had to get out in this for his work. And he was the only crazy person on the road. And document it. It looks pretty cold. I'm just glad I don't have to go in anywhere right at the moment. It's a sad thing. I hope everybody across the country doesn't have to have any kind of emergency. This is dangerous for people. It really is. It's dangerous. It's dangerous knowing that the power could go out, or they could have a medical emergency, or they have things that they got to go do. You know, maybe they have a doctor's appointment that's dire need, or maybe a family member, something happened. It's scary because ambulances can't run, and I mean, it's crazy. We're going to try and make the best of what we got here, though, just like everybody else. This is my view from the kitchen table. Look how deep our recycling bin is. I think it hooves up a little bit. It's got to be probably 4 inches or better out there. I'm going to sit here and have some coffee this morning and watch the snowfall. All right, I'm going to leave this video at this. You guys stay safe. Hopefully your power doesn't go out, so you've got some kind of backup. I'm going to stay in and keep warm and be careful on your commute. Going back to work next week. Hope to see you on the next video. Bye now.